Hey, what's up everyone? So today's a big day in my garage and I'll show you why. Take a look. And this is the culprit right here. It's not a package from Draper Tools. Actually went there. I got their catalog for free. But I got something that I always wanted. Bam! It's Draper StormForce 3/8 drive stubby air ratchet. Always wanted an air ratchet. Apparently this has 20 foot-pounds of torque or 27 newton meters, 200 rpms of speed. What else? Operating air pressure 6.3 bars. Oh crap. Okay. Yeah, let's crack into the packaging with the world's cheapest and smallest knife and see what we got inside. So this is what's in the actual packaging. This is the Declaration of Independence right here. We don't need none of that. Yeah, we're not gonna need that. And this is the, oh, it's beautiful. It's so nice, and it's, but you know what? Let me get it out of this bag. Ah, it's beautiful. This tool is so cute that you don't even want to use it. It's got a cap on the end. Directions, you change it there. Nothing else. Oh, it's got a speed actuator here. You can modify the speed of it. Probably you don't get the whole, what was it, 200 rpms all the time, which is good, because I was actually planning on using this for those long ass interior bolts. It looks beautiful, bro. You know what, let me plug it into the old compressor right there and see what's what. But yeah, this is it, the Draper Tools StormForce. Always wanted one, finally got one. Okay, so this is basically how it looks like. Yeah, works. It does something. All right, now the thing is, they didn't have any impact sockets in stock, so yeah, no, I'm a bad boy. Let's try it out. Let's see what we can tear apart off of this BMW. Yeah, let's try those. 13 millimeters should be enough. Okay. All right. Yeah, does the job. Air compressors, yeah, I know it's tiny, but still. All right, so one-handed operation is kind of not easy, because you know, like us mechanics, we always get into situations where you know, we need 3 hands. So let's drive this all the way in. Let's see how much. So we've got just coming up at 6 bars of pressure, right? But it's a very small tank. It's only a 15-liter tank. This thing says that it's gonna operate at 6.3. So let's drive this at 6. So yeah, I like this catch. It's like a trigger thingy. You see? Pull it this way and then boom. Wow. Okay. Oh, hold on. Hello. Yeah. So this is basically like a ratchet, and then it's an air-powered ratchet. All right. Hold on. Let's do this again. So let's do it. Change the direction again. So it's now on loosening it. You see? So bam, loosen it up, and then. And when it runs out of choo-choo power, yeah, it's out. Good. Awesome. This is gonna make life so much easier, especially because, you know, when you got those long ass bolts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get a bigger compressor though, but still awesome toy. Draper StormForce, beautiful thing. All right, so catch you next time. Yeah, and I just saw this. Where was it? Oh, right here. Can you pick that up? Yeah, it says oil daily. Yeah, now it's safe to say that I did not do that, but it's okay. It's gonna be okay, little boy. All right, I'll let you go to sleep. All right, go to sleep, little one.